But what I found is that this is the washing machine. The people kept this out. Actually, what they made it as a scrap. But we will try whether it will become operational or not. Let us try. What the existing position is that the water is inside the machine for 1 month. That means the drain is holding 100%. But we will check what actually happening in the washing machine. Every time I am telling, the washing machine is having lot of interconnections. You have to understand this. Otherwise, you cannot eliminate the problem. Every pinpoint is very important in the washing machine. In the water, kept it alongside for several months. If you want to check the condition of the machine, you have to put water at first. The drain is proved. The drain condition is very good, but we will put water now. We filled the water. Let us have a look. It is washing now, exactly. But there is a problem. We will see what actually happening. It is idle now. Actually, only water is there, but we did not kept any laundry in the machine. We will keep the laundry and we will check whether it is holding the load of the laundry or not. Machine is draining the water. Means everything is fine. Not to be used such type of inlet to the washing machine at any cost. Please don't do this. Why? Because it is having a lot of interlocks. The water speed and entering into the machine, everything calculated by the circuit. So you need not to put such type of equipment. Now it is spinning. Not to be used such type of inlet to the washing machine. It is having a lot of interlocks. The water speed and entering into the machine, everything calculated by the circuit. So now it is spinning. Now it is washing the clothes perfectly. The cycle of the washing machine will not be completed, and if it completes, it will be improper. Please remember this point.